Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Makarim al Akhlaq, that is noble character, it refers to as a higher standard of morality, ethical behavior, which encompasses values such as honesty, which is being truth in words and action, generosity, giving out freely without expecting anything in return, and humility at tawadu. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Innama bu'istu li utammima kamal akhlaq." I was only sent to perfect the noble character. Life is school, and Ramadan is one of the best sessions in which we learn all about love, this noble character, self-control, self-restraint, sharing with people in need, forgiving and standing with the less fortunate persons. That is what Islam is all about. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.